Hello, Dolly. Is it a pretty girl? I'm up close. Yeah, I'm not too far away. You gotta be a big brave girl and talk anyway, even though the phone's close. You watching TV? Oh, what are we watching? Oh, Friends. Yeah. Yeah, hello, Dolly. You would say hello, good people. Hello, good people. Happy Sunday. Hello, good people. Happy Sunday. Yeah, it is. It's Sunday today. Yep, happy Sunday, good people. Yeah, had a big day today, haven't you, Dolly? Yeah, you've been busy playing with your new toys. What were you crunching? You got something in your beak that you've sort of kept for later. You've had a big feed, you're nice and puffed up, you cleaned yourself, and ready for bed, aren't you? Back to you too. That means I love you, Dolly. Is Dolly gonna go to sleep? Before you go to sleep, would you like to say good night, good people? Ah, that's just as good. Back to you too. You are staring at the TV. It is a little bit of TV time before bed. Fair enough, hey? We all like to do that. Even I'm having a bit of TV time. Yeah, with you. Yeah. What are you looking at? You're funny. Dolly, would you want to say good night? Alright. I'll move it over here. There. Look, you let me get close with the camera. With the phone, I mean. That's nice, Dolly. 'Cause I love you so much. Yes. The good people love you. Yeah. Say, I love you, good people. Good night, good people. Oh, that's lovely. You said it 3 times. Oh, let's not get loud. Gecko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Yes, you are a pretty girl. Hello, Dolly. Hello, pretty girl. Aw, big kiss. Uh-huh. You're being a magpie and then a little woo at the end. Yeah. You do seem tired, but it's nice for you to have a chat with us. So we'll say goodbye to the good people. Thank you for tuning in and saying hello to Dolly and myself. It's nice. It's nice to have a chat. Oh, okay, Dolly. Dolly. All right. I understand. You wanted to have a big word about something. Fair enough. What can I say? That's the way you want to talk, and okay. You're being a really, really loud gecko, weren't you? So geckos do make that sound. But you get a little carried away when you're doing gecko sounds, hey? Get a little excited. And that's okay. It's all good. Gecko! Remember you used to say gecko? Oh, sweetheart. Oh, well, you're saying all your favourite words and sentences. Nearly. Oh, just a little chat before sleep. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you're getting good at it. You're getting there, sweetheart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gecko. Little quiet gecko. Yeah. Hello, Dolly. Oops. I'm sorry, I'm just moving my arms because I'm sort of leaning over the couch here, just trying to get in closer to see our Dolly. That's beautiful, Dolly. Thank you so much for your little chat. Yeah, I know, you're saying hello to the good people. That's so lovely. Yep, hello to all the good people. Sending your love, sending my love to all the good people. Oh, Dolly is a good girl. Yep, Dolly's a good girl. That's a new sentence. It looks like you want to go to sleep as well. I've been trying to help or encourage her to talk for a few hours now. And yeah, finally at that part where you want to have a talk, but you also want to go to sleep. I can tell because your eyes are closed. Are you sleep talking, Dolly? No, you just had a big birdie day and it's time for sleep. Well, it's getting on to nearly 8 minutes exactly now. And so we should say goodbye to all the beautiful people out there, all the good people, and tell them happy. Alrighty. Dolly, you can tell them that, but I'll just say love to all and take care and happy Sunday. Alright, I'll wait for your little. Yeah, pretty girl. Yeah, if you looked over this way, it would make things much easier for me. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, the good people are over here, you silly Billy. And she's looking at the TV. Oh, no. Oh, thank you, Dolly, for looking over here. I don't want to stop videotaping you while you're in a good mood to talk. Yeah, to the good people. Yeah. There's lots of birdie wisdom there, I'm sure. Time for a scratch. Okay. Time for a little bit of a scratch under the wing. Fair enough. And a little tummy rub. Little tummy scratches. Oops. I think you're getting ready for sleep now. Yeah, she is. Yep, you're getting tired. You're getting tired. All right, Dolly. Good night and thank you. Oh, look, she's picking up a stick. Alrighty. Okay. Well, you examine that stick that's in there and gnaw away at it and have some fun. So I put that in there the other day because I thought she might enjoy it. And I was right. Hmm. Oh, it's probably good for her. I was going to say her. You know what I was going to say, but I meant beak. But I didn't say what I was going to say. Probably good for a beak. Yeah, a big massive stick. Oh, give it a drop. Where are we off to now? There's many adventures. There, over this side. All right, well, I'll let you go, Dolly, because I know that you want to go to sleep. Good night. Bye, guys.